Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage employee performance with ADP easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage employee performance with ADP, start by logging into your ADP account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Employee Management section. Look for the Performance Management option within this section. Click on it to view the Performance Management dashboard. From the dashboard, you can access various tools for performance reviews and feedback. To initiate a performance review, select the Start Review button. Choose the employee whose performance you wish to evaluate. You'll be prompted to select a review period, such as quarterly or annually. After selecting the review period, click Next to proceed. Now, you will see a list of performance criteria and goals. Assess the employee's performance against each criterion by providing ratings and comments. Be sure to offer constructive feedback, highlighting both strengths and areas for improvement. Once you have filled out the review, click Save to keep your progress. If you need to make adjustments later, you can revisit the review from the dashboard. After completing the review, select the Submit option to finalize it. You may also want to schedule a one-on-one meeting to discuss the feedback with your employee. In the meeting, provide a summary of the review and engage in an open dialogue. Encourage your employee to share their perspective on their performance as well. This collaborative approach fosters a positive environment for growth. After the discussion, set clear objectives and goals for the upcoming period. Document these objectives within the ADP system for future reference. Finally, periodically check in with the employee to discuss their progress toward these goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.